Today we're diving into the ultimate outdoor kitchen experience with the GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station, a portable folding kitchen table that's perfect for camping trips and tailgating adventures. This all-in-one station is packed with features, including a soft-shell sink, heat-resistant aluminum tabletop, and a telescoping lantern pole, ensuring you have all the comforts of home wherever you go. With 3 durable side tables, a storage rack, and an easy-grab paper towel holder, this cook station is designed for convenience and versatility, making it ideal for use as a tailgating prep station, campsite kitchen, picnic table, or cleaning site. Setting up is a breeze with its one-piece, no-hassle design, allowing you to simply pop the table up for meal prep and slide it down to a compact size for easy transport, thanks to its slim fold technology and built-in carry handle. The open dimensions of 56.3 inches in length, 21.7 inches in width, and 32.3 inches in height provide ample space for all your cooking needs, while the folded dimensions make it easy to store and carry at just 22.4 pounds. Whether you're cooking under the stars or enjoying a sunny day at the park, the GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station is your go-to solution for a seamless outdoor cooking experience. So, gear up for your next adventure and elevate your outdoor cooking game with this incredible portable kitchen.